HoneywellStore.com is your one-stop shop to find genuine 1-inch furnace air filters. We offer a large amount of variety to choose from with multiple levels of efficiency. In this video, we'll be going over what a Honeywell genuine furnace filter can do for your home, the different minimum efficiency reporting values or MERV ratings each of our filters carry, and the installation process. The Honeywell Efficiency Allergen Air Filters are 1-inch air cleaning filters that capture a high percentage of airborne particles and allergens from the air that passes through the filter. Showcasing durability and overall effectiveness, these air filters offer easy flow energy efficiency and a heavy-duty frame that range from as small as 12 by 12 by 1 inch all the way up to 20 by 30 by 1 inch. Each of these filters is made in the USA, and we offer different minimum efficiency reporting values to choose. There are 3 MERV ratings to choose from: MERV 8, 11, and 13, or Better, Best, and Premium. The Better filters protect against dust and lint, airborne dust mite debris, pollen, and pet dander. The Best are high-efficiency filters that are electrostatically charged to also protect against mold spores, bacteria, microscopic allergens, virus carriers, and most smoke. And finally, the Premium are ultra-efficiency filters that are electrostatically charged as well, but include the added bonus of protecting against odor and smog particles. These filters may be purchased in packs of 4 or 12. It is recommended that these filters be changed every 3 months, meaning a 4-pack will give you a 1-year supply of genuine Honeywell air filter protection, while a 12-pack will give you 3 years of protection. To install, start by turning the furnace and AC fan off. Next, carefully remove the plastic wrap and paper insert from the filter. Be sure to record the installation date and replacement date on the designated space on the filter frame. Finally, insert the filter so the arrow on the side of the frame matches the direction of the airflow. With so many available filters to choose from, including different sizes and MERV ratings, we're likely to have the exact furnace filter you're looking for. To purchase a genuine Honeywell furnace filter or for more information, visit www.honeywellstore.com.